Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to deposit money into your HSBC account. So first you have to know that there are three main ways to deposit money into your HSBC account. The first one is to visit a HSBC branch or using an ATM or using the HSBC mobile banking app. So let's review each one quickly. If you are visiting a branch, head to your nearest HSBC location and fill out a deposit slip with your account number and the amount you're depositing. Hand it to the teller along with your cash or check. Once they process it, make sure to double check the receipt they give you. Now, if you're depositing at an ATM, insert your debit card, enter your PIN, and select Deposit from the menu. Insert your cash or check when the machine asks for it, and then confirm the amount and keep your receipt for your records. Now, if you are using the mobile banking app, log into your HSBC account, tap on the Deposit Tracks option if you are depositing a check, and take clear photos of the front and back as prompted. Enter the amount and submit your deposit. Now, a couple of quick reminders. Always make sure you're on a secure network and double check your transaction history to confirm the deposit went through. Some deposits, especially checks, may take 1 to 2 business days to clear. And that's it. That's how you can easily deposit money into your HSBC account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one.